Hello world, it is that time of the year. The upgrade dolls are here. But before I get into that unboxing, if you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hola, I'm just Christopher and welcome. And if you already subscribed to this channel, well, I love you. With my not so good Marilyn Monroe voice. But anywho, that's not what you're here for. So, where do we begin? Well, I only have one, if you can already tell by the thumbnail, not thumbnail, but thumbnail. Right. I didn't really resonate with the other girls. So I went with Eugenia, and to be completely honest with you, I didn't resonate with her either. So in today's unboxing, my reaction is going to be solely on the outfit, which was the reason why I purchased it. Yes, I'm not going to deny it. Not even going to lie. It's about the outfit. I.e., if you hear a Spanish voice, it is my mother. It is what it is. We live in tight quarters. Here's the shipper box, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that because I'm going to mispronounce it. I know it's Tuxedo, but is it Lee Tuxedo? Because it's not La Tuxedo. When's the last time I read a box? Ooh, it's been a minute. And you know, side note, the reasons why I don't really be reading the names of the dolls is because it's already in the thumbnail and I already feel repetitive sometimes. So it's just like, why even bother? We all know we're here to look at some fashions. So yeah, sidebar, that's what that was about. Anywho, let's take her out the shiver box, i.e. Why did I say i.e.? That doesn't make any sense. I did not show you Adele shipper box because I do order her from Sideshow, and as many of you know, if you order from Sideshow, they use the shipper box to ship. So it had a bunch of labels and stuff, and it just wasn't cute, so it didn't make any sense. The fabulous tissue paper. Also, I just was realizing something the other day. I really miss the black fashion royalty boxes and New Face boxes. Like, I felt like it was a moment. Now, don't get it twisted. The white one is just very pretty, and it's very like modern and stuff. But there was just something about the black box, and I say this because I still have 3 of the really big ones where I store things in, and they're just so gorgeous. Just had to mention that. Okay, you already know I don't care for her, so my focus is on fashions. Okay. Yeah. Hello, clothing. And it's just, I mean, let me say, it's these eyes. I'm not okay with them. And as many of you know, I usually get some of my girls updated. Shout out to Kyle. He always hooks me up with the latest eye colors and hair changes that I would like for my girls. But there's some girls that I see it with, and there's some girls I don't. I must be completely honest. I'm not even showing her yet. With this particular Eugenia, although I think the skin and the hair combo is fabulous, the blue eyes were just a bit too much. And there's something about her that's very playmate, like very Playboy playmate, and I'm not down with a little Playboy playmate. Just not my thing. It's not my look. I'm a little bit more, you know, glam old Hollywood, if you may, with a little touch of new modern. But that Playboy look and we're not friends, and this girl gives me Playboy. Just had to say it. Take it as you may. But for those that want to see, here she is in the box. I hope that works. Now, let that light set a little bit. If you are new to my channel, you will not struggle with me as I struggle to unbox this girl. I will unbox her off camera. And when we come back, you will see her styled in all of her accessories as she is meant to be styled. And then in this particular video, this video is going to be kind of similar to my Eden video. If you haven't checked that one, I suggest you go look at it now. It was fun. I will be reusing these fashions on other girls. And yes, I said girls. It was plural. Loud for no forsaken reason. Anywho, enough talking. Let's get into this look. Now, if you've been to my channel, you know I love to start at a good shoe. And these have just, they're so simple, but so beautiful at the same time. I love the satin that's used on them. I don't know if you can tell by the camera. They actually have a really nice, subtle sheen to them, which is fabulous. And I love the little, like, detail. I guess my camera doesn't like the shoes as much as I do, because, it'd be staying out of focus. But anywho, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by the camera, I love the little silver detail. It's just the right amount of detail for the shoe. Now we're gonna be moving up. I wanna take, let's rotate her just a little bit. Hello, finger. Love the detail of the tuxedo stripe along the pants. That's honestly always what makes a tuxedo, are the pants with the stripes on the side. So I just love that these pants have it. Once again, Integrity always has the best choices in fabrics, which is why I was super excited for this outfit. I opted out of putting the little metal thing on her hat because it's so tiny and it wasn't really sitting right. So I was like, you know, let's not even struggle. The hat sits quite nicely without the pins, but if you want to style it a little bit better, you can definitely try to do the pins. Also, it's like a felt, so it left a lot of residue on my fingers. But anywho, it's still a really beautiful hat that I can't wait to play with really soon. But yeah, I don't really have much more to say. This is a very simple outfit, but I think it's a very classic outfit. I'm pretty excited actually of how I'm reimagining it a little bit and how you're about to see it on a few different girls, because I'm actually going to break this up into a few different looks. That's actually what I loved about this look when I saw it release, was the fact that it can be so flexible and you can use it with so many different items. So I'm very excited about that. So can't wait to show you. Also, I really should stop saying so. I'm already tired of saying it myself. But yeah, one more look up and down on Miss Eugenia in her feminine looking tuxedo style, I guess you would call it. Yeah, you would. That is correct. You see 3 pairs of feet there because I have broken this down into 3 girls. So I just recently purchased this Barbie pack, fashion pack, I should say. Honestly, because I feel like out of all the fashion packs I've been releasing lately, this was one of the more, I don't know, adult looking ones. Like, I felt like I could work this on my Integrity girls, and here we are. So when I received the fashion pack last week from Amazon, I was like, you know, Eugenia's coming and I can style it with her pieces. So Avi, we have the shirt blouse over here, and it's this like safari vibe, but yet it's still very like glam and upscale. Then we have the pants with the overlay of like the half tuxedo with this crop top. Good vibes all day, every day. Yes, it's a slogan we live for. And then bringing back like the animal print with the glasses, and then rocking the hat and the jewelry over here with the dress. It's like we have the nightclub, the brunch, and then work all together in one. And I absolutely just love it. Once again, if you've watched my Eden video, then you've noticed sometimes when I don't love the girl for myself and I love the clothes, I'll restyle the fashions instead of the girl. It's just a thing he's been doing lately. But yeah, here we have these fabulous ladies rocking these looks. Agnes, Adele, Vanessa. I don't call them that because I give all my girls different names. And right now, I don't even know what their names are. Actually, the middle girl is still Adele because she was my first Adele. So she was able to keep her name. But yeah. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see like more of the jewelry detail. was like a moment of silence there. But there you have it. Eugenia's fashions restyled. Yes. Okay guys, that was today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in with me for this unboxing video. I would love to, like I usually have in the past videos, be like, oh my god, something's coming. But I don't know when the next row that I pre-order is coming, and we are all in this club still waiting to find out when the new collection is being released. So there's a lot of things up in the air. However, if you tuned in for this long in this video, I have a question for you. My sister still owns a very big collection of her My Scene line from the original dolls that came out. If you would like to see that collection, leave some comments below, and maybe I'll make a few videos. Few because she has a few different like sets, and I'll do them per sets, and then we can kind of take a trip down memory lane with My Scene, one of my favorite lines. FYI, whenever I do that video, I'll get into the reasons why. But please let me know in the comments below if that is something you're interested in, because that is something we can do while we wait for Integrity to let us know whatever is happening with the rest of the dolls. Yeah. But on that note, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Please make sure to like, leave comments, and thank you so much for tuning in for this video with me. And have a beautiful rest of your day, week, month. I would say year, but the year's a hot mess, so maybe we'll rethink that last part. All right, guys, bye.